How to track an Android phone using FamiSafe. Perhaps your child, another family member, or friend is out and about, and all you want to make sure they're safe with whatever it is they're up to, as well as making sure that they're going to the right place. On the other hand, if you've ever lost your phone, you may be wondering how you can find it again to get it back. So today we're going to show you how you can use FamiSafe to track an Android phone. Just follow these steps. First, install the Parental Control app Location Tracker FamiSafe from the Google Play Store for your phone, and FamiSafe Junior app for kids' devices on your child's Android. Now, open the FamiSafe app on both phones and register or log in using your account details. Once you logged into your account, tap the Features tab from the bottom. Then press 3 lines in the top right corner to open the Features menu. Click on Real-Time Location, and it will open up your kid's Android current location, and you can keep track that your kid is going to the right place. Moreover, to see your kid's last location, tap on the 3 lines on the top to open up Features menu and click Location History. Through this, you can see your kid's location history and where he had been recently. So much for today. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment below or stay tuned by subscribing our channel. We will see you in the next video.